Welcome here at our booth at Bihler of America. My name is Max Linder. I'm Technical Sales Manager for our division here in the United States. Solutions that we developed together with B&R are an advanced manufacturing solution building up on our mechanical modules that we developed for our standard machine concept. With the Bimeric solutions, we have now a completely independent from any mechanical motion solutions that can be set up extremely modular for any kind of application. Instead of depending on strip materials that we handle through processes in a progressive way, we now can have forming operations that handles the parts with a tool carrier system through multiple processes, still incorporating our core competences like CNC tapping, resistance welding with CNC controlled weld head, servo controls for measurements, for screw inserting, for assembling, pick and place are working seamlessly together with one control system and providing the flexibility to develop any kind of solutions that the customer needs for their application. Another huge advantage for the B&R solutions in our integrated environment is that we are putting a front panel touch panel solution in front of our control system, so the user, the operator on the system, is not in contact with basic control systems anymore. He's just getting a control touch panel front human interface that enables him, without knowing about the background, how to maintain and support the system. It's very self-educational, self-explanatory, and it still uses the whole features from the control system and not reducing the capabilities, just making it significantly easier for the operators to operate the system. For further information about our control system and advanced automation solution, please look us up on www.bihler.com or www.bihler.de with an English presence there as well with all the information about our technology.